Hello coders, this particular video is all about text formatting. That is, there are some number or maybe some text present in a particular cell and we want to wrap it with some user given text content. So as you can assume that weight in kg, it should be in number, but that number should be followed by kg. How you can do that? So before doing this particular task, I'll be showing you another shortcut trick, that is control enter for array function. So select this range of cell and use the function equal to rand between. So rand between is a particularly a function which generates a random value out of a given range given by the user. So I want to generate a value from of the range 12 comma maybe 28 kilos. So any person is purchasing these products and its weight will be between 12 to 28 kilos. Close the braces. Instead of pressing enter, I will be pressing control enter. Now since this is a formula, each and every time this Excel sheet loads up, this value would be recalculated. This is rand between function will be recalculated and the value would be changing. So F9, uh, if I press F9, no, it's not working. So here rand between, no, whatever it is. So if I reload, so maybe press enter, no. I mean, if this thing reloads, so what I need to do is that I need to copy this range of cell, control C, and after that what I need to do is that I need to go to paste, and from there paste special I need to rule out the formula and paste it as values. Okay, now in each of the cells it's 13 and there are no formulas. Now comes the task in which the task which are you going to achieve in this particular Excel sheet, that is the weight in kgs will be ending with kgs. How we can do that? Select this range of cell and you can press Ctrl 1 or right click on it for the format cell dialog box. Go to custom. So anything means hash. End it with our own words. So it will be in double quote kg. Close the braces, close the semicolon and press OK. So here it's kg. Now let's see whether total is being calculated properly or not. So total would be weight multiplied by product weight. So 45 multiplied by 13. Let's see if it, yeah, 585. So 13 into 45. So let's do it manually as well. 45 star 13. Yeah, 585. It's working properly. I'll be dragging this all the way across to the down. Now comes the last portion, that is we need some rupee symbol in front of these numerical values. So we can press Ctrl Shift 4. So Ctrl Shift 4 is the shortcut key to insert rupee symbol. So 88 into 13 is 1144. Let's check it out. I mean, it's a pretty big number and it would be hard for a person to pay this amount. Yeah, it's 1144. Poor guy, he has to pay so much amount for the masoor dal he has just purchased. And what would be the total? So the total can be simply done in many ways. So you can here press Alt equal to for the auto sum. Yeah. Alternatively, if you convert this to a table, so select this range of cell and press Ctrl T to convert it to table, or you can go to the insert tab and convert it to table. The shortcut key to which is table. So the table, the word begins with a T, so the shortcut key would be Ctrl T, then press OK. Now what you need to do is that you need to go to design and select this particular option, total row. Now we'll be having this one. So max, what is the max? So as max being the max amount he has spent on masoor dal, and what's the minimum amount he has spent on? What's the minimum? It's 306. So he has spent the minimum amount on potato. In a similar way, what is the maximum weight? I mean, what is the maximum thing which he has? So 25 kg means he has purchased more. He has purchased more wheat. So that's all for this. So formatting, that's it. So if anything, any number is being, I mean, precede it or end it with, so let me, before ending the video, let me show two more tricks. Let it be 12 and let it be 13. So if you want to precede 12 with something like say maybe Mr. No, why maybe Ram. So you want to precede Ram with a Mr. So press Control 1, then go to custom, and we will be saying is there within quotation we will be writing Mr. quotation close. Within quotation, since MR is my own word, then press hash. Nothing happened. Okay, so it works on number, I think 12. Yeah, Mr. 12. So that hash works on 12. And if it is a string, I need to look it out that what will be the, I mean, the regex syntax for string. And if you want to end 13 with something, again control 1, maybe this time 13 gram. So gram means hash space gram. Hash stands for the value of the cell. If it is a number, 13 gram. So that's all for this short video tutorial. So what we achieved is that we inserted the rupee symbol, we did a autosum using alt equal to, we inserted a kg symbol after the weight of it, and after converting this to a table, we got this pretty drop down menu in which there are this aggregate function inbuilt. By checking this, going to the design section and checking this particular option, total row. Thank you all for this. Thank you all guys. Happy coding. Practice it on your own. Thanks.